gonna try saving it. If you guys want to, sure, I'll do it.
Okay. Well,
I'm gonna try drinking some of this and shake it, and when I build out like a nice good burp, I'll be right back. Oh. I was like jumped up and down with that.
longest straw. I have
And
like
wow, 50 straws.
That came out.
Oh, they're strong and flexible. I can feel it. I guess I'm gonna do a burping video. Someone requested it. I don't know. So yes, that's all I needed to do. There you go. I don't know why this is. That's the weirdest thing possible to do.